This is the single most effective technique to stop your hiccups. You gotta save this video. All you have to do is to inhale 3 times in a row. I'll show you how. Firstly, breathe in. Without exhaling, take another breath. And then take your final breath, no matter how small it is. And then hold your breath for 15 to 20 seconds. So it would be like, and then exhale after 15 to 20 seconds. Now this simple technique works on the basis of hypercontraction of the phrenic nerve for a short period of time so that it subsequently relaxes or alleviates the spasming of the phrenic nerve. So if you or someone you know is having hiccups, then do give a try to this technique and let me know your experience in the comments down below.